Hello family, in this video I present one of the easiest ways to achieve a fantasy hair color without damaging your hair. Right now, dyeing your hair with fantasy tones is super trendy. To achieve these colors and make them look clean and beautiful, like it or not, we absolutely have to bleach. Join me in doing this step by step. We are going to start our bleaching work by carefully and thoroughly protecting the hair. We are going to carefully apply this Yenvir moisturizing serum from mid-lengths to ends to prevent damage during the bleaching process. If you absolutely protect your hair with moisturizing serum before any chemical procedure, believe me, your hair definitely won't suffer from any potential damage or harm. We are going to get ready to prepare the formula for this bleaching. I will carefully and precisely use exactly 2 caps of bleach, half an ampoule of intensive therapy specially for bleached hair, and 30 volume cream developer. The consistency of this formula should be creamy. We will start the application from the nape, leaving 1.5 centimeters of growth, and then we will go to the ends, ensuring thorough saturation to avoid any spots in the middle. This process is essential for achieving an even and consistent result. By starting at the nape and working our way to the ends, we ensure that every strand is properly coated and saturated. It's crucial to take extremely thin sections when working on this process. That's the key to achieving an even and consistent bleach effect throughout the material. Once you section the hair into manageable parts, apply the bleach by massaging it in this way, as I am doing, to thoroughly and evenly saturate the hair with the bleaching formula, allowing you to achieve faster and more efficient bleaching with no spots or uneven patches. As you can see, Juvel's hair is indeed already bleaching. His hair is actually natural, which is why it's reacting very quickly. Additionally, we took great care to thoroughly wash her hair with deep cleansing shampoo from Botox, ensuring it is clean and ready for the bleaching process so that it bleaches in less time. It's very important that it doesn't reach the roots because it can itch, and then it will be extremely uncomfortable for the person undergoing this particular bleaching procedure. It would be almost impossible to achieve the tone we absolutely and definitely want, because if it starts itching too soon, it becomes very uncomfortable for the client or the model. That's why I strongly recommend making the formula creamy, a bit thicker than liquid, so it doesn't run into the roots. Once you have applied the bleach to the entire head of hair, you will notice that from the mid-lengths to the ends, the hair is indeed darker. This is because it is very long hair, and the nutrients in our hair do not actually reach from the mid-lengths to the ends, and here the hair cuticles are more closed. The most recommended thing here, once you finish the application, is to reapply bleach to the mid-lengths and ends and massage to further activate the lightening. Once the bleaching process is done, it's time to move on to the next stage of growth. Here it is extremely important to apply perfectly well and carefully to avoid spots. If you notice, there's a girl helping me with these tasks. I definitely recommend having someone to support you so you can achieve a better result. Once the root lightening is thoroughly achieved, we will proceed to completely remove the bleach and use a deep cleansing Botox shampoo to thoroughly and completely eliminate any and all bleach residues in every possible way. You need to remove the bleach very carefully, and remember that the scalp is extremely sensitive. Also, I want you to carefully observe the strand test. This hair is very resilient, extremely resilient, and we can continue further bleaching to achieve the desired tone we want. We are going to protect hair again with Genville Moisturizing Serum. The hair ended up with a slight golden copper reflection from mid-lengths to ends, which is why we are going to perform a second application to achieve the desired result. Our formula will be 2 caps of bleach, half a special ampoule specifically designed for bleached hair from the renowned brand Yenvirtia, and the cream oxidant will be 20 volumes. This combination ensures optimal lightening and protection for the hair. We are going to reapply the product, focusing on the areas where we see more brassy golden tones. These brassy golden tones can often appear after the initial application, especially in areas that are more porous or have been previously treated. You might not be able to notice it in the video, but there are brassy golden hues, and since I want a pure fantasy color, I need to eliminate that tone. This is crucial because any remaining brassy tones can affect the final result, making it less vibrant and pure. Gently and thoroughly saturate the hair strand. Softly and carefully massage the hair without damaging it at all, because some people unfortunately grab the hair and massage it a lot, unfortunately a lot, and even tangle it, which can damage the hair. Remember to do things very gently. We reapply the bleach to the roots in order to accomplish a much purer and more refined bleach. We proceed to thoroughly and completely remove the bleach using a special deep cleansing Botox shampoo. It is important to note that you should not apply a mask before applying the dye to your hair, because there is a risk that it won't penetrate properly and evenly, leading to potential issues. Observe carefully how Juvel's hair is in perfect condition, shiny and healthy. Do you want to get notifications each time I upload a video? It's very simple. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Remember, these tutorials are always made based on your comments, and I create them with a lot of love and care for you. I am going to cut approximately about 3 centimeters in length and add some slightly lighter layers. I am doing this so that the beautiful coloring I am going to apply has a lot of natural movement. Juvel's hair was a V-cut but without layers. I absolutely want you to see that this hair ended up with zero damage, completely and totally. Many of you are definitely afraid of bleaching. You feel like your hair is absolutely going to fall out, that it will end up in really very bad condition. If these procedures are done with utmost precision and attention to detail, the hair should not break. Here we are seeing the final result of the bleaching. I want you to notice the tone. It is even from roots to ends, and above all, the hair looks very healthy. We are going to apply the color very meticulously. It is absolutely pure blue pigment. First, I am going to apply from the roots to the mid-lengths, and then I am going to sweep it to the ends. There are many questions about how fantasy tones are mixed in various ways and methods and techniques. When you absolutely want a pure and deep dark tone, you are definitely not going to mix it with developer, essentially. If you want to achieve a pastel tone, you can mix this same blue with 10 volume developer and a small amount of blue. By doing this, you will achieve a beautiful pastel tone, and that's how you get the pastel tones in the range, which are soft and subtle. The total processing time that we allocated for this particular coloring procedure was 40 minutes, ensuring optimal results. Here we are going to use shampoo that is specifically designed to work with retention bath. These shades require products that help effectively and permanently fix the desired hair color. We are definitely going to complement with the firm color mask. If you observe up to this point, we are absolutely going to thoroughly and carefully apply the mask. And to complement this image design, we are going to apply very subtle and natural makeup to this very beautiful, elegant and graceful young girl. I want you to carefully observe the absolutely beautiful shine on this incredibly healthy hair. I present to you the new and definitely enhanced look of Jubal. Now it's your turn to follow this tutorial. Remember that the foundation of good work lies in consistent and diligent practice, so don't be afraid to make mistakes, as this will provide a great lesson and valuable experience, leading to continuous improvement. Thank you for joining me, and I want to say I send you a very big hug and many, many blessings.